instructions, that's all right?
You know Mr. Brandon Banks is out here, man.
Of course. On the scene.
On the scene, baby. Officer knew my name. That was funny. Oh my God, my brother may be a little intoxicated. Looks sober to me. You got it, brother. Oh, I remember this guy. You did a good job, brother. You heard me? If he make you do extra shit. You already did enough.
Hold that position while I give you instructions for the test, all right? When I ask you again, you're going to look whichever leg you feel more comfortable with, approximately 6 inches off the ground, right? It's going to look like so. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Keep your knees straight unbent, point your toe outwards, all right? You count to 1 to 30 by the thousands. Arms down to 30. Test lasts for 30 seconds.
This brother's already done enough, y'all. We seen it. He's already walked the straight line. We see the man's not intoxicated. This guy's out to get him right here, man. He's out to get another ticket. This is what's going on in our country today, man. The guy just walked the straight line. We all seen it happen. This is sad, man. And he's black. That's the sad part. He's doing it to his own people just for a paycheck. That's the sad part. He's making this man count the outrageous numbers. Come on, man. He's asking the guy to balance on one leg. He's like, come on. He's he's not drunk. Any drunk man would have fell by now. Come on, man. This is harassment. At this point, it's harassment.
At this point, he's interfering with my test.
Yeah, you're
right? You're
just back up on
okay. My test. I'll let you record, but you don't know how to interfere. You can't make them laugh in the middle of the
There's
test.
freedom of speech.
Correct. But when you start to affect my job, he's doing a test. You're
okay.
him out, you're hurting him, right?
The man just did an excellent job. He just stood on his feet he just stood on 1 foot for an entire minute. The people see it. I have 50 people right now that are already saying the man's not drunk. Now I have 150 people.
My man's trying to get home. Walk home with him, bro.
Yeah, I'm just making sure this guy's his rights don't get violated.
Nah, you can't drive drunk in the state or anywhere in the country.
I know. We'll move on, all right? You need to count backwards from 68 to 55.
Now they want him to count backwards from 68 to 55. Do you see what is going on here? The man just balanced on one leg. God bless you, brother. Their tactics ain't working. He just passed the test. Now what's next? This is sad, man. Come on, man. Let this guy go, man.
He's drinking. We smelled it. He failed the field sobriety test. He's about to get locked up.
All right, man. But just don't do him dirty, man.
Nah.
Don't beat him up and shit, all right?
Never.
All right.